Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to change your Kroger delivery instructions. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Kroger application. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon and click on My Purchases. And once you click on My Purchases, if the order has not been picked up yet, you may be able to edit items or delivery note. You can also update how items are substituted before picking or pickup begins. If the option to edit is unavailable, simply go ahead and call the customer service immediately. There are two ways to contact their customer service, and all you need to do is click on the profile icon, go to the bottom and click on contact us. As you can see, you can click on live chat and have immediate chat with them, or just click on call and call them directly. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.